A box plot is used to show the distribution of categorical data, just like we have histogram for the numerical data. If you want to see the distribution of the data for each of the categories, we have a box plot for this. The box shows the quartiles of the data set, while whiskers extend to show the rest of the distribution, except for points that are determined to be outliers. So let's plot one. We have the box plot command here. Pass in your data, that is tips. Then on the x-axis we want the categorical data. Let's say we want to see the data by day, and on the y-axis we want the total bill. So let's plot this. So here you see that on the x-axis we have the categorical data for the day column. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and on the y-axis we have total bills. This is a box and whisker plot, and then in the circles we have outlier data points. So what we have here is, this is the minimum data point, this is the max value of the data point except this outliers, and then we have this quartiles, which is 25 percentile points. This is the median line, that is 50 percentile, and then this is the third quartile. Third quartile is 75% line. So this is the max value and the minimum value here. So it will form a box for data within 25th to 75 percentile, and will extend whiskers for data between the 75th and 100 percentile, and similarly on the lower end for 0 to 25th percentile. And some of the data will be considered outliers. So if you look for Friday, we have one data point which is completely different from the rest of the data point. Now if you want to give a color to this graph, we can use the hue parameter here. Hue is obviously for a categorical data, but if you use the hue with the same category which we have here, it will use a nice color combination for this graph. Now let's say you want to use another category along with this graph itself, so you can do that. It's on X we have this day data, on Y we have total bill, and now you want to separate the data for sex category as well, so we can do that here. So here we have blue for male and orange for females, and for each day, for each category, we will get separate distribution for males and for females.